Pardon me, mademoiselle. We're going to learn how to subtract fractions with like denominators, same denominators. And it's just like adding fractions with the same denominator. So if I had a fraction 1 over 4, and I add 1 over 4 to it, I get 2 over 4. Well, with subtraction, it's the same thing, it's just you subtract. If it's 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4, then I would get 0 over 4, or otherwise known as just 0. It'd just be 0. And the reason this is, again, if we look at it, we draw a circle, we split it up into 4 pieces. That's what this fraction represents. This fraction represents that one piece that we colored in. 1 out of 4 pieces colored in. Same thing with this one. This fraction, since it represents 1 out of 4 pieces colored in, just that 1 out of 4 pieces, we're subtracting that 1 out of 4 from that 1 out of 4. We're subtracting this one from this colored in piece. So we'll remove this colored in piece to get 0 colored in. We'll have 0 colored in pieces. And that's what we're doing whenever we subtract. We're taking that piece that this fraction represents, and we're removing, taking a part of that, taking that out. Ah, gosh. In this case, that 1 out of 4, the 1 out of 4 here is removing from this 1 out of 4. So we get 0 out of 4. Another example could be 2 out of 3 minus 1 out of 3. Well, 2 out of 3 minus 1 out of 3. Again, it's you subtract the numerators. Oops. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And keep the denominator the same. And if we were to use a circle to visualize this, we have a circle here, and we have 2 of them colored in. 2 out of 3 of them colored in. That's what this fraction represents. This fraction represents these 2 pieces that are colored in. And we subtract 1 that is colored in. If we subtract just this one piece from it, because this fraction represents this one piece right here, if we subtract this one piece, then we'll remove one of those pieces. Oops, one of those pieces from it. Ignore that line. So we just get 1 out of 3, because we had 2 right here that were colored in, and then we remove one of these colored in pieces from here. In this case, this one. And now we have just 1 colored in, because these fractions represent the colored in parts. That's how it works. So whenever you're subtracting like fractions with like denominators, you subtract the numerators and you keep the denominator the same. Stay in school.